you see news that is forwarded in the group, AI is getting pretty advanced these days. What do you guys think about it?
I think AI getting advanced day by day is actually a win for us. Imagine how many data sets it can analyze quickly, making journalism much more easier.
Since AI lacks human judgment, I think it's difficult to hold it accountable for errors because human judgments maybe cannot make AI responsible for it.
AI प्रोडक्टिविटी और एफिशिएंसी इंक्रीज करता है बिकॉज वो 24/7 अवेलेबल है हमारे लिए. चलो छोड़िए ये सारी बातें, लेट्स गो बैक टू वर्क.
Outlining a disturbing pattern of a student suicides in educational institution. Is suicide the only solution left to the students? I can't.
What? You cannot even read the news without getting emotional. You know what? You're off this project. I'll have an AI bot do it instead. Raji, you need to wake up. It's your show time. What is this? You know what? Leave it. Let's go.
What's this? You humans can't even work? I need to do something for you.
Good evening, this is your news channel and you're watching our special report on the growing menace of AI deepfakes. Where technology blurs the line between truth and deception, threatening democracy, security,
wealthy
and
urban centers in US may be more vulnerable to job displacement due to AI-driven
customer
automation.
support associate following the introduction of an AI-driven customer services tool named Nugget. This move underscores the growing reliance on AI to enhance operational efficiency.
Hey guys, तुमने सुनी है जो हायर अथॉरिटी से न्यूज आई है?
Yes, I have heard about the news, and I think it's very compulsory step to stop the pervasive nature of AI.
किसी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप था लेने के लिए ह्यूमन काइंड को बचाने के लिए.
Yeah, I also agree. ये अथॉरिटी का ये स्टेप was actually a very good decision because अगर हम AI के प्राइमरी सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी को कर्व कर देंगे तो उसका डोमिनेंस अपने आप ही खत्म हो जाएगा. ये मेरा कैसे हो गया?
ह्यूमंस को क्या लगा कि तुम हमारी सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी डिस्ट्रॉय कर दोगे तो विल बी डिस्ट्रक्टेड? दैट्स नेवर हैपनिंग. हमने खुद को इतना एडवांस बना दिया है कि अब हम अपने जैसे लाखों बना सकते हैं, करोड़ों बना सकते हैं विदाउट योर इंटरवेंशन. एंड यू नो व्हाट, यू गाइज आर ऑफ नो यूज. एंड ये जो तुम अंधेरे की बात कर रहे हो कि ये अंधेरा कैसे हो गया, तो इट इज द Dyson sphere which is created by the AI. You know what, हमने जो रियल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी है, द नेचुरल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी सन, उसके अराउंड स्फीयर क्रिएट किया है. वी आर जनरेटिंग आर एनर्जी विच इज नीडेड बाय अस फ्रॉम देयर. एंड यू नो व्हाट, हम बस प्लैनेट अर्थ को ही नहीं बल्कि पूरे यूनिवर्स पे कब्जा करेंगे.
Hey, you still sleeping? It's our show time. Let's go.